Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Soundcore Space Q45 with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon. Now go to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth. Now press and hold power button for at least 2 seconds to turn on your headphones, and it entered to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it on the list. And we see it, so click on it and done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!